Hello, welcome. So I am going to be organizing my makeup into this travel makeup drawer I got on Amazon, and I think it would just be really interesting to organize my makeup in here because it is quite a long portable item, and I thought it would just be fun to do here on my channel because I've never done a makeup organizing situation in my channel ever, so I thought it would be super interesting, hopefully. And yeah, so if you're interested, I hope you keep on watching, and I'll get started. This makeup drawer is from Amazon, and I have it linked here on my phone just to show you. And it's called Yaheetech store, and it's a travel makeup train case, and it has rollers in the bottom, and it's a 4-in-1 makeup organizer. So all these come detachable, and I got such a good deal for it on Amazon. So okay, like the material itself does feel quite thin because it's not made out of metal, but it seems quite sturdy enough. So we'll first start off with the top part here, which is like the whole base. So it opens like this. And I have already started putting the basic with my makeup. Let me see. Okay, so it flips up like this, and then it's got like a compartment that you could just move like this. So it just expands, which is so awesome. It's like pretty roomy, and you know, I figured we'll fill up stuff here. But anyway, like what I was saying, this part here is what I'm using for my January makeup basket. So I've got all my items here that I definitely want to use during the month of January, and this is just my basic eye base and the sunscreen I included. So you could see everything is very well laid out. And like, as I said, it expands like this. And so I have another compartment here where I keep this Morphe pony palette, and I put it right here, and it fits perfectly. So I'm really happy about that. I guess these right here are locks for locking this whole thing if I wanted to, but I'm not going to do that right now. Okay, so this is perfect. I put all of my ColourPop Super Shock Shadows here, so I don't forget to use them. for now, I'm just going to put, I don't know if you could tell, is the lighting too dark? Okay, that looks a little better. Okay. Okay, so with this side, I did put in lip products that I typically use if I'm going to see my boyfriend, or or days where I just want something to put on for myself. And these are all on my top drawer, so I think for now I'll just leave lip product essentials here, and the other side I'll put just Super Shock shadows. And and considering I have so much room here, I think I do want to put more palettes here. I think if anything, I'll put these two. This one is the Coastal Scents 252 palette. It's quite a lot of shadows, and I really want to start using something like this into any kind of look that I do. I want to make sure I remember it. And then this one is from LA Girl, and this one's called Born Exclusive. And the palette looks like this. Another beautiful palette I don't want to forget using. So, let's see. So I think for now I'll just leave it like that, and it fit perfect, so that's great. So what's cool is that with this drawer thing, it has latches on the side right here, so I just take this part off, like I loosen it, and then it completely comes off to reveal another piece here that I could start filling up. Okay, so as you see back there, that's all of the storage I have with different items I've been using over the time, and I really want to reduce that and probably put here, at least for the meantime. And yeah, so let's see what I could do. Okay, I think we're done here for now. So I decided to put eyeshadow palettes I want to continue testing out and getting use out of. So I've got a couple of like face palettes. This is from Becca, and then this is from the Balm. That is pretty new. And then here's another one from the Balm. I got a couple of Natasha Denona I've been wanting to try out, but I haven't. So it's an issue that I've set these out at my top counter and I haven't even touched most of these products, so hopefully putting it in here is not going to make me forget. Okay, so we're done with this. Okay, this one should be really fun. As you can see, it's got like a divider of this thing right here, and I have the option to leave it like this to put more palettes, but because I want to organize my top drawer and pretty much have it empty. So much stuff. Okay, hopefully you could see what I'm doing. I'm already putting my cream products on this side. I'm thinking it'll go like with this as well. Now these products are relatively still new to me and I still want to play around with them. So I think we'll put in this little side. I think this one I'm going to end up throwing away, unfortunately. I mean, this one is very old. I had it when it first came out. It's just really sentimental to me because I actually tried to look for this in Walmart, and this was like when Drew Barrymore first launched Flower Beauty, and it's just a really old lipstick. I don't really even think it's good anymore, so I definitely think I could toss it, and and besides, like, this color is really dark. It's something I wouldn't really wear. I think with this side, I like right here, I think I'm going to have it in my most used, so got some cream shadows here that I haven't used yet either. think these should belong on my top jar because on the top section of this jar, so I could see it and I could use this one. Oh yeah, and give it a like. I would greatly appreciate it if you enjoyed this video. Okay, bye. I think that should be good for now. I did put in my singles here. I feel like I might forget it if I put it here, because this is a really pretty palette. It's just a bunch of singles from Luxie, ColourPop. But I feel like it shouldn't be here, just because I do use this occasionally if I do makeup. Okay, now it's this last jar, and this thing is huge. I could put like a majority of my palettes here. It's really big. It's like, I could lift this and look, you could see how much, like, the density of how low this jar can go with palettes. That's a lot. So I hope you enjoyed watching. I look forward to decluttering more makeup items as I go. But as you can see from my drawer, top drawer, everything is pretty much cleared out. So you can kind of see it looks a little bit better. So hopefully you enjoyed watching. May God bless always, and be safe, take good care, and I will hopefully see you in my next one. Bye.